Hi, I have a generator as I am preparing for the Henri tomorrow. The generator did run fine for about 20 minutes and I turned it off to move it to where I need it. Now I restart it and turns off after 5 or 10 minutes.
What's the brand and model of your generator? How old is it?
Powerstroke 6000. I have replaced the gas, cleaned all of the gas lines and replaced the oil with 10 watts minus 30.
How long has this been going on with your generator? What have you tried so far?
I haven't used in 3 years.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I also checked the spark plug and sprayed carb cleaner in the carburetor.
Check the oil level. If oil switch sees low oil, it will kill the engine.
I just repulsed the oil with new 10 watts minus 30 oil. It was old but I replaced it. How do you know how much to put in? Are you still there? Should I wait a while until the oil runs through the noggin?
Should have a dipstick, or a plug on the engine base. You would fill to the full mark. How much oil did it take? Typically around 1.5 quarts.
Should I take the carb apart, or the fact that it ran for 20 minutes and now 10 minutes at a time tell me the carburetor is okay?
I don't see this as a carburetor problem.
That is what I put in. Yes, there doesn't seem to be a full mark on the dipstick, but I can check again. Okay. Good on the carb. Would anything else be cutting the engine out? It starts right up after letting it sit for 10 or 15 minutes. Customer attachment August 21, 2021, 11:01 and 18 seconds p.m. There is no full mark on this dipstick. Can you put too much into it?
Oil switch is the only thing that would kill the engine. No, too much oil would just drain out.
Okay.
Thanks.
Still the same thing. Starter fluid will start it but goes off pretty quickly now.
Drain the carburetor bowl, to see if it has picked up any water from the fuel tank.
There is no gas flowing. Checking tubes again from the tank.
So the shutoff valve and tube from the tank to the carburetor is plugged?
Nothing coming from tank. The small pipe directly under the tank is not flowing.
Okay, that is not going to work.
Right. Trying to something to push up through it.
Open the tank cap and blow back into the tank.
Blowback.
Blow into the tank outlet line.
It just unclogged. I'm full of gas. I think I got what's wrong now. Thank you.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.